All right, some onion. Don't need a lot. I can always cut more if I need more, right? So, spin the cutting board instead of the onion. All right, gonna wait that off to the side. All right, that shows that it's time for something. Got some onion. Gonna get that going. Put a little olive oil in there with it. Get mixed around. Just gonna give it a second. Okay. And very careful with the knife. Set that right there. I'm gonna get this hotter because we're making cheese hats. I got another video where I messed up the recording, so I don't get to show you how to make the cheese hat, so I'm just gonna talk about it. So you get the pan good and hot, and you put in shredded cheese of your choice, whatever type you like, and you let it heat up, and you kind of cook it kind of like a pancake. You watch the cheese start to bubble, and you'll get a good feel of when it's time to flip it. In this case, I put the onions and that stuff I just cooked up on top of it right before I flipped it, and it made for a really nice cheese hat. It kind of embeds it right in the cheese hat, and you get onion in every bite, or whatever you add. But again, sorry I didn't get to show you. All right, there's the burger. Are we in there? Let's make sure we're in there. We can work with that. All right, there's the burger. Cheese hat. Some crunchy bit on there. The rest of the cheese hat. Boom. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. I'm gonna take it and eat it. I mean, seriously, doesn't that look great? Well, while we're here, I might as well put my smiley face on there. Boom, 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 boom. Pretty simple meal, but I think it's gonna be a good simple meal. All right, like I said, now we're gonna get everything set and start tasting it. I have to admit again, I did not invent the cheese hat. I borrowed it, and you're more than welcome to borrow it. It'll take your burgers to another level. Flyover, potatoes, onions, peppers, nice great big burger with a sriracha smiley face and a cheese hat. I'm gonna eat this stuff. All right, so I make these foil packs with potatoes and onions and peppers a lot. So shocker, they taste good. And now the burger. I also want to remind people, play with your food. Have fun with it. It's supposed to be enjoyable, and it makes things taste better. And a good looking burger. Let's bite into it. Well, I get to bite into it. I make pretty darn good burgers. All right, YouTubers. Hope you're enjoying whatever it is you're doing. You're staying safe. And wearing a mask when you need to wear a mask and all that stuff. But have a great and wonderful day. Get some focus here. I tell you, I paid more money for this A20 camera on my cell phone. I think I prefer my old cheap phone. But again, great and wonderful day. Here's another one of those desserts from Myers, Senior Rico's creamy custard. It was good.